How to promote your Skillshare class. Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial, I will teach you as a teacher on how you can promote your Skillshare class. Promoting your Skillshare class effectively can boost your reach and enrollment, and there are different ways. The first way is by leveraging your social media. Yes, so you can utilize your Instagram stories, your TikTok videos, or your LinkedIn posts to show snippets of the video tutorials that you have uploaded already on your Skillshare account. So you can ensure that you leverage social media in order to increase your views and engagement. All right, this is a major means. And then another way you can promote your Skillshare class is by collaborating. Yes, you can partner with other Skillshare teachers or influencers in your niche. And through cross promotions, you can introduce your class to a broader audience. Okay, another thing you can do is to engage your existing network by sending personalized emails to your friends and families, inviting them to join your class and spread the word. You can even ask them to join the class, take the class, and then leave reviews for you. For example, with this particular class, you can see the reviews that has been left behind by previous students, and this would also increase the publicity and the possibility that many more students will see this particular course. Okay, now that is one thing you can do. Another thing you can do is to start a blog, a podcast, or your YouTube channel related to your class topic. So share valuable content that leads viewers to your Skillshare class for more in-depth learning. Another thing that you can do to promote your Skillshare class is by hosting a free webinar. This webinar should revolve around your interests, around what you teach, and ensure that it is impactful so that more people can see it, people can join the webinar, and from there, they can be influenced to also join your Skillshare class. Okay, another thing is to utilize forums and communities, participate in online forums and Facebook groups related to your class topic, share your expertise, and subtly promote your class. Another thing is to offer incentives. All right, you can provide a limited time discount or exclusive bonus content for those who enroll within a specific time frame. This is very effective as many people would want to jump on the offer since it is more affordable or cheaper in comparison to other courses. So these are the various ways you can promote your class on Skillshare. I hope these tips works. Ensure you practice them effectively, and I assure you that your class will be promoted and exposed to a broader audience. Thanks for watching and have a good day.